we're out here on our 1994 Silverton, and what we're doing today is cleaning the flame arrestor. We're going to clean the carb too on this side of this motor. So let's go through that. Let me open up, take it apart, and show you what we're doing. So like and subscribe, stay tuned, don't miss anything here. You can see we're out at the marina. It's just beautiful today, but it's Alright, so we took the nut off here and took our flame arrestor out. You can see here's the flame arrestor. We took that out. Alright, it's not too dirty. We're going to go clean it. We also put a rope up here so that you can't drop that on your head easy. You can see the carburetor don't look too bad. We're also going to make some idle adjustments maybe, but let's go clean that flame arrestor first. So what you can do to clean this, take a little brake clean. That's all it takes. And nice and clean it is now. Now you can see through it real well. You want to spray a little more, you can. You see dirt coming out still. Alright, we got gum out for cleaning the carburetor. Also got a spray nozzle on it. You start up the boat. I guess you can't just spray it. A little more rev on it. Half a turn. turn now. Turn and a half. Let's see what the idle is. From where we were. Let's go see how it does. Alright, when we did our spark plugs, we found you fouled plugs a little. So what we did was we turned the idle down. The idle screws in a little. Whew. Be careful, your manifolds get warm. Putting this on, same as taking it off. Just kind of get it on, pull this up, get it over it. Put this on. I'm guessing if you had to, yeah, if you had to, you could get at these. We're going to leave them like they are, see how it runs. See if we're not as rich on a cold start next week. If you got the right wrench, that's beautiful. If you don't, adjustable wrench. It's a nylock nut. You'll feel it draw tight when it gets to the point where it gets snug. That's it. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's how easy it is to clean up your carburetor a little, clean your flame arrestor on your boat, and in my case, adjust my idle, because I did wet out that last set of spark plugs in about 100 hours. So let's see how we do with the new idle mixture. All right, we're 2 turns in. We're going to remember that in case we got it back the other way. But right now, she's idling at 600. You put it in gear, she's staying at 600. I think the world is sweet right now. Catch you in the next video.